Professor Shoykot. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. In this video, I'm going to show you an indicator. Its name average true range. It's called ATR. Okay, so ATR indicator is a very good indicator for determine the market volatility. Okay, because this indicator is not for the buying or selling. Okay, this indicator helps you when you open a buy order and when you can open a sell order. At least you can open an order in the market. It will tell you. Okay, because you cannot trade 24 hours in the market, because in my previous video I told you that when you see that this kind of small candle in the market, you cannot trade. Okay, I zoom it, then you can understand. See there are all candle are very small, so at that moment, what any indicator you are using or any strategy you are using, it gives you a false signal. Okay, so how do you know that the now market in is ranking position or sideways? Okay, because you should avoid the sideways market, so you need to know when a sideways market start. Okay, so this ATR indicator helps you to determine that now the market is in sideways. Okay, so let's begin. First you have to go to the indicator list. You will get this in the oscillator. There is a, you can see that average true range, and you have to you can set it as a default mode. Okay, I see that it's period 40. Okay, and I just increase some thickness, then you can, okay, it's already okay. So click OK. So we get ATR. Okay, so we get an ATR indicator. You can see that this one is ATR. Okay, so this ATR indicator helps you in two ways. Okay, so you can also set your take profit and stop loss by this ATR indicator. Okay, so first I'm telling you how can you set the take profit and stop loss by the ATR indicator. So this ATR indicator, you can see that there is a number. There is a number is okay, I draw it. So you can see that there is a number is 0.0035. Okay, so it's 30, last digit is 35. So in euro USD currency pair, this 35 is your range of the market. Okay, so now the market is in sorry, so now the market is in there, and the market range in 35. It means if at that position market can go easily 35 pips up or down, but if market can have to cross this 35 pips, market will face some difficulties. Okay, so you can set your stop loss in 35, more than 35, it's 36 or 37. Okay, and you can set your take profit 30 pips for this. Okay, so ATR indicator helps you to set the take profit and stop loss. Okay, because you can this ATR average true range, it means ATR will show you a range of the market. Okay, so now I am coming to the point that how can you determine the ranking of the market. Okay, so the sideways market, how can you know this? Okay, so when you see this kind of small candle, okay, I zoom it. So when you see this kind of, so when you see this kind of small candle in the market, you cannot trade. So at that moment you can see that ATR is also in down mode. Okay, this ATR is going down. There you can see the ATR is going down, and if you take a line there, you can see from there and from there, ATR is going down and market is in also in ranking mode. Okay, so I zoom it out. You can see that in there candlestick are going so small, but ATR also in down mode. ATR is going down, it doesn't mean that you are opening a sell order. I told you before, so ATR only show you when you can open an order. Okay, so if you using a strategy and if you get this kind of candle, your strategy will give you a false signal, and you cannot trade at that moment. So if you see that ATR is going down, you will get this kind of small candle, so at that moment you cannot trade. Okay, so in another way you can see that at that area market are in with some momentum. Okay, so there is some volatility happens in the market. Okay, so there you can see that ATR is change its range. Okay, so from there ATR is going up, and market also get some movement. Okay, market is going down and market is going up, and ATR also in up mode. Okay, so when you see that ATR is in up mode, you can trade. Okay, when you see this kind of when ATR is in down mode, you cannot trade. Okay, I zoom it to clear. You see that there is some momentum in the market going down and up, and ATR also in up mode, and there you can see that all the candle are very small, and ATR also in down mode. Okay, so this is the you have to use this ATR. Okay, because if you want to filter your signal, if you want to filter your strategy, because a strategy will help you to determine of the market. The ATR help the strategy, that because no strategy is perfect and no strategy will work 100%. Okay, so ATR will help you to know that your strategy giving you a wrong signal. Okay, so it's very important for trading. Okay, so I think you understand this video. If you do not understand this one, you can ask me by the comment box or email. This is very easy, I think you understand. But if you do not understand, you can also ask me by the WhatsApp. I will reply you, no problem. Okay, and we are also starting a forex course, and you can visit it by the our website. It's fxschool.info, and there we have a 30 hours forex course, and in this forex course we are teaching everything about forex. Okay, so if you take this course, I think it will cover A to Z by step about the forex, and you can ask me any question from this course, and it will be very helpful for you. Okay, and every day I teach you 1 hour in this class, personally by WhatsApp or Facebook, and with the team viewers I can enter your computer, or you can enter my computer, then I will show you the chart, and this course will change your life. Okay, because in this course I'm not giving you some holy grail. Okay, I will teach you everything about forex, then you can use some strategies, and I will give some strategies, and I will tell you that how can I use this strategy, and if you can follow my all instruction, I think you can make profit. Or if you do not want to take this course, just follow my all videos. If you follow my all videos A to Z, and every, because I'm trying to upload video every day, if you follow my everyday video, I think you can make profit from the trading. Okay, but demo practice is necessary. Okay, if you are trading in forex market, it's 1 year, 2 year, or 5 year, but you are in losing mode, it doesn't mean anything. You have to improve your skill. So until you are making profit in the demo, you have to practice in demo account. Okay, so when you can make, you just have to set a target. Okay, so if you have open a $500 demo account, at least you have to make $200 in demo with some strategy. Okay, if you can make $200 in the demo with the proper lot size, okay, so then you can use real account for the trading. Okay guys, I think you understand these things, and if you face any problem, you can ask me. And another thing, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends. Okay, and give a thumbs up for this video. Okay, this is for today. Bye, have a good day.